Hello, my name is Michelle. I'm the chaplain with Angelic Hospice in Ocean County. Today I'm going to read a devotional called Tragedy, Triumph in Tragedy and Stress. What do you say we have a chat about grave clothes? Sound like fun? Sound like a cheery topic? Hardly. Make a list of depressing subjects and burial garments is somewhere between IRS audits and long-term dental care. No one likes grave clothes. No one discusses grave clothes. Have you ever spiced up dinner conversation with the question, what are you going to wear to your funeral? Most folks don't talk or discuss their grave clothes. The Apostle John, however, was the exception. Ask him and he will tell you how he came to see burial garments as a symbol of triumph. He didn't always see them that way. A tangible reminder of the death of his best friend, Jesus. They used to seem like a symbol of tragedy, but on the first Easter Sunday, God took clothing of death and made it into a symbol of life. And I wonder, could he do the same for you? Could he take what today is a token of tragedy and turn it into a symbol of triumph? Friends, we all face tragedy. What's more, we've all received the symbols of tragedy. Yours might be a telegram from the War Department, or an ID bracelet from a hospital, a scar, a court subpoena, or even COVID-19. We don't like these symbols, nor do we want these symbols. Like wrecked cars in a junkyard, they clutter up our hearts with memories of bad days. But could God use such things for something good? How far can we go with verses like Romans 8:28 that says, "In everything God works for the good, for those who love him"? Does everything include tumors and tests and tempers and terminations of jobs? John would answer yes. John would tell you that God can turn any tragedy into a triumph if only you will wait and watch. Could I challenge you with a little exercise? Remove the word everything from Romans 8:28 and replace it with the symbol of your own tragedy or stressful moment. For the Apostle John, the verse would read, "In burial clothing, God works for the good of those who love him." How would Romans 8:28 read in your life? I wonder if it would be something like, in hospital stays, God works for the good. In divorce papers, God works for the good. In a prison term, God works for the good. And even in a pandemic, God works for the good. If God can change John's life through a tragedy, could it be that God will use tragedy or a stressful time to change yours?